Hello everyone, this is Janie from JJ Ray Jewelry Designs, and today we're doing a bead crate unboxing. Nice red satin package. Everything comes out beautifully. Can be reused, which I like a lot. Now this was done a couple months ago and didn't have any sound, so I'm doing a voiceover, but I don't have the bead crate sheet to tell you what each of these beads are. But those discs, very, very pretty, kind of a iridescent purple. And then these raspberries, they're so cute. They have a silver bottom on them and they're clear red, but they have little bumps, so they are actually raspberry looking-ish. The silver is almost like a flat back, and I'm trying to show you through the baggie, which doesn't really work. I think there were 10 of those. There were 4 of the purple discs. Oh, this metallic red. They're faceted, kind of octagonal bead. Really pretty. And I got 2 strands of that. With Bead Crate, you can decide what package you want to sign up for. And you can get it's so pretty. So each month you'll receive a crate, in parentheses, full of hand-curated beads. Each box contains a varied selection of beads and styles. Not sure if the subscription is right for you, no problem. Go to our shop to try a one-time box. No fuss, no muss, no commitment. Let's see, where are we at? Everything else. A white iridescent strand of beads. Kind of pretty. It's got like a gold, overall gold iridescence. I don't know how to say that. So this package, I'm a collector, and that's $31 a month. And the collector gets more than the enthusiast, who is only $18 a month. It's almost double everything, and then you get extra things that the enthusiast doesn't want or doesn't get. I'm getting some blue and aqua and white off of this strand. You see it as I see it. It's really pretty. So if you want a really low cost subscription box, subscription bead box, this is the one I would recommend this. Highly recommend this. Now you're seeing the yellow neon beads. I don't know what size, probably 4mm it looks like. And there are quite a few, probably 30 in there. You're seeing everything as I'm seeing it. I guess I'm doing a play by play. Winging this one, hoping that my microphone will start working sometime. The microphone on my camera. I don't know. I'm just trying to find some beads that were on the list, but I can't see them. It's pretty cut and dried. It tells you a number, and that number correlates to whatever's on the list. And there is a little name on the baggie itself, the bead bag. So it's not too difficult to differentiate. Now these are orange. I don't know if they're bicone. They're really sparkly. Fire polish, it looks like. You get some quality things with the Bead Crate. You also get extra things like that thimble of thread that you see on the, and sometimes you get findings. I like the variety. Now these are discs. They're not they're beautiful clear red discs. Ooh, now these are really pretty pear shape or drops, if you want to call amethyst color with an AB coating. Probably a 16-inch strand. Very beautiful. That is a beautiful bead. Nice glass. That would look great with amethyst or tanzanite also, if you need a filler. I always use like a glass bead of some kind to fill. There's my thimble full of thread for doing a project. I sometimes use glass beads to fill in if I don't have enough genuine gemstone, or it just accompanies my gemstones so well that I can't not put glass on there. Well, this is a cabochon, pure cabochon, no holes. It's a red. It is clear. You can't see it here. It's a solid color, but it's probably a carnelian. It looks like a real carnelian. So you will get some genuine gemstones in with this bead crate sometimes. They'll surprise you and put these different items in. It's just a red bicone preciosa that's named synonymous with Swarovski. Bicone, purple amethyst color, Great, again, go great with gemstones, tanzanite or amethyst, even a really pretty blue gemstone. If it's like dyed jade in blue, or turquoise. I'm thinking the color of that blue coming up next, that strand of beads that's on the top of the pile, that would look good in there. I think it'd just give it some pizzazz. That's what you're looking for, something striking. You want people to notice. And these are tulip. They're tulip beads. Royal blue, made of glass, probably a 6-inch strand. Very pretty. So as I was saying, you want something striking. A lot of genuine gemstones in bead quality, genuine gemstones don't shine or sparkle. They don't have the pizzazz. So you want to add crystal or glass or something to make them stand out more. Oh, these are really cool. They're kind of discs, but they're threaded on the top instead of through the middle. So they give you this kind of a wonky shape in a spiral. Those are pretty cool. I'd like to just string them together to show that three-dimensional kind of thing that they're showing with that 6-inch strand. And last but not least, we have these really pretty pink oval stones. And they're strung right through the middle. Looked to me like it might have had some wave. Yeah, it has a wave in there. That's really pretty too. So that's it for the bead crate. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry it wasn't anything amazing, and I know I won't go viral with this one, but all in all, it's quite a few products if you get the collector. And what I'm showing you right now is the way that I would string them, would be to string them all together so they look like that, maybe in the middle of a chain or something. So the value here is quite good. This package or crate here was $31, and there were quite a few beads. I think one strand or one 6-inch strand, or a couple of beads in a baggie is not going to make your piece. They may stand out a little bit, however, there just isn't enough to do any type of bead weaving. Obviously, so that's it for this video and this bead crate order. It's $31 for the collector, and like I said, you get less if you're an enthusiast, but you get more as a collector, almost double, and then you get extra things. Not too many findings in that collection that I just showed you, but every bead crate is different, and you can actually go online to their website at beadcrate.com and subscribe, and then you can choose your box, but you can also see what this month's bead crate is going to look like. I think they show that to you. September's box. Oh no, they don't show you, but they tell you when you can order by. And you can do it as a subscription or a one-time only. You can do it as often or as little as you want. But if you saw any value in there, I would definitely, before September 1st, pick up a subscription or a one-time and see what they have to offer you. I am not a glass bead person except to highlight my genuine gemstones. I use crystal a lot to do that also. So a lot of the glass beads that I get through Bead Crate and other subscription boxes go into a big basket, and as soon as I get 25 subscribers, I will pick a name and someone will get over $500 worth of beads. That's just at 25 subscribers, and the dollar amount keeps adding the longer it takes to get that 25 people. At about 23 subscribers, I will show everyone what is in the basket, not piece by piece or item by item, but I'll give you a good indication of, I'll show you the basket and a lot of the things in it, but it'll be a short video, and I won't go through everything. So that's 25 subscribers. Subscribe and share, and the sooner we can get to 25, the sooner one person out of 25 is going to win. You've got one, and you have a good chance of winning. So thank you very much. Remember to give some random person a huge smile and take it easy beading. Thank you. Have a great day.